Now, if we look onto the quick paper analysis for the 2025 Junior Science Olympiad, we would see that the subject breakdown was more or less very even, with very high weightage to physics and chemistry, and moreover a little less to biology, but by and large everything was balanced. Of the 216 total marks, 120 to 140 is the common range. This time for 2026 it was further less, but yes, usually you can target, if you are scoring from 90 to 120, you should be in a expected range. 120 above is a very safe score. Now, coming on to the kind of questions that was asked from the sections on biology, the basic questions on national parks, the types of algae, the types of diseases. For example, St. Anthony fire disease was one of the questions which was asked. Relative motion, uniform acceleration are commonly asked questions every time. Again, resistance and capacitance, very basic questions asked every time. From the physics, particle trackers and cloud chambers was asked. Then again, the right hand thumb rule, again a very important concept. The Fleming's rule, again important. Now, the common areas where students actually lack include the conventions and the sign conventions, specifically in the cases of lens and mirror. Also, clearing for the minimum admissible score is something which is the target. So the best thing we would recommend is download the paper, practice those kind of questions, and prepare for similar kind of questions. Build a kind of reasoning and conceptual temperament, and that would help you qualify for your Junior Science Olympiad. Thanks for joining.